What's up guys, it's me Bad and you are watching Tech Expode. I'm back with a new video and it's time to take a look on new smartphone which is Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. Well, for going further, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel for more and click the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's get started. Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, another camera sliding phone. Announced in Beijing Thursday at the Forbidden City, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is the latest addition to Xiaomi's line of all-screen flagship phones, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. It has a 6.39-inch display like the Mi Mix, with a 2340x1080 pixel resolution, meaning 93.4% of its body is screen. The Mi Mix 2 is just 5.99 inches by comparison. If you were been keeping up with all things 5G, you might have heard that Xiaomi was working on one of the first 5G enabled phones you can buy. This looks to be it, but you will have to wait until next year for it. It has 4 cameras, 2 each on the front and back, as well as a whopping 10GB RAM variant. Battery capacity is a less impressive 3200 mAh. We were seeing bigger ones in other Xiaomi phones like the Mi Max 3. Through the phone supports wireless charging. The fingerprint sensor remains on the back of the phone. The Mi Mix 3 also comes in a 5G variant touted by Xiaomi as world's first such commercially available phone. In terms of design, the Mi Mix 3 takes a step closer to losing its signature chain. Mi Mix phones used to have a bottom bezel, now reduced to 4.46 mm. That housed the selfie camera, but the cameras have now been moved up to a magnetic slider on the phone. You can slide the entire screen downwards to answer calls or customize it to launch different functions. This feature is similar to ones seen in the Oppo Find X and Huawei's Honor Magic 2, which will be launched on October 31. The Mi Mix 3 features powerful cameras on its front and back. On the back are 12-megapixel dual rear cameras, wide angle and telephoto. For the selfie lovers, Mi Mix 3 sports a 24-megapixel primary camera backed up by a secondary 2-megapixel camera. This can be found on retractable module along with a soft light. The Mi Mix 3 will come in 3 variants. You can get 6GB or 8GB RAM and 128GB onboard storage, or the top end model with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. It will be available in 3 colors: Ons Black, Jade Green and Sapphire Blue. Xiaomi's Mi Mix phones are traditionally its most expensive and configurations with more storage typically cost more. The Mi Mix 3 is priced like the Mi Mix 2S was when it launched. The base model will start at 3299 yuan, about $475. Quick specs: Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, 6.39-inch AMOLED screen, Full HD Plus display, 2340x1080 pixels. 6GB RAM with 128GB onboard storage, or 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, or 10GB RAM with 256GB onboard storage. 12-megapixel dual rear cameras, 24 and 2-megapixel dual front cameras. Rear fingerprint sensor. Weight is 218 grams, 7.69 ounces, and dimension is 158 by 75 by 8.5 mm. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out.